Matthews 24 and verse 7, for nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. There shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. Shalom. First and foremost, let's give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem, Wakar Kadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son Ba'ashem, in the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Ba'ashem Kadash Laton. And I say Barak Thumb to the elders and apostles, Wa'aki and Wa'akwa, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of December the 8th, 2025, on this Monday noon. And this is from the latest earthquakes from Earthquake.USGs.gov. And you had a 4.4 earthquake 112 kilometers north of Yakutat of Alaska. And that's the remainings of the aftershocks of that earthquake hit over there between the borders of Canada and Alaska. And that was a 7.1 earthquake. And ever since then, you've been having aftershocks of earthquakes, which is a day later as well, too. Because I believe it was like 20 plus aftershocks of earthquake in that region. As I add a side note to that, you had a 3.7 earthquake 4 kilometers southeast of San Juan of California. I believe that's outside the Bay Area. And then there was an aftershock of a 2.6 earthquake in that same region, 4.4 earthquake 102 kilometers south of Hongshoku of Japan, 5.0 earthquake 131 kilometers in the same region. I believe that was a aftershock of that 7.6 earthquake hit off the coast of Japan. And this 2.5 earthquake, another aftershock of that earthquake over there in, outside of the Bay Area. I believe that was a 3.7 earthquake. 2.5 earthquake in that same region of San Juan, California. 4.2 earthquake recorded 109 kilometers north of Yakutat of Alaska. 5.5 earthquake recorded 96 kilometers east of northeast of Hashicho of Japan. 3.2 earthquake recorded 26 kilometers west of Palico of Hawaii. 7.6 earthquake in the Japan area off the coast of Japan. There was a major 7.6 earthquake, and I believe they issued a tsunami warning over there in the area as well too. And then you had the aftershocks of the earthquakes over in that region. 2.7 earthquake recorded 4 kilometers southeast of San Juan, California, and another 3.0 earthquake in that same area. And that was a 3.0 earthquake that was 4 kilometers southeast of San Juan, California. 5.1 earthquake recorded in Mid-Atlantic Ridge. 3.0 earthquake recorded 73 kilometers west of Petula, California. 2.7 earthquake recorded in 13 kilometers east of northeast of Cattleman City of California. Another 2.5 in that same area in Cattleman, California. 3.0 earthquake recorded 110 kilometers north of Ambler, Alaska. 2.6 earthquake recorded 13 kilometers northeast of Cattleman City, California. 4.7 earthquake recorded 24 kilometers southwest at Calabar, Dominican Republic. 4.6 earthquake recorded 3 kilometers north of Bacolod of Philippines. 2.9 earthquake recorded 51 kilometers south of Yokosuka of Alaska, if I pronounced that right. 5.3 earthquake recorded 20 kilometers south of southeast of Hainan City, Taiwan. 3.5 earthquake 100 kilometers north of Yokot, Alaska. 3.9 earthquake recorded 102 kilometers north of Yokot, Alaska. 3.1 earthquake recorded 114 kilometers north of northwest of Yokot, Alaska. 2.9 earthquake recorded 4 kilometers southeast of San Juan, California. 5.1 earthquake recorded 23 kilometers south of southeast of Kalyon of Turkey, if I pronounced that right. 3.6 earthquake recorded 111 kilometers north of northwest of Yakult, Alaska. 4.5 earthquake recorded south of the Fujian Islands. 4.8 earthquake recorded south of Tonga. 2.5 earthquake recorded west of Equinok, Alaska. 2.5 earthquake recorded 15 kilometers northeast of Melfort of Utah. 2.8 earthquake recorded 60 kilometers west of northwest of Carolina, Alaska. 2.7 earthquake recorded 111 kilometers north of Yakult, Alaska. 2.5 earthquake recorded 9 kilometers east to southeast of Yakult, Oklahoma. 2.8 earthquake. Oh, that was from yesterday. So those was the latest earthquakes as of December the 8th, 2025. Now I'm gonna go to that. Yep, then you had a news article from this is a news article from USA Today, published by Christopher Can. Yeah, Christopher Can from USA Today, updated December the 8th, 2025 at 1:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it reads: a tsunami warning. A tsunami warning issued after a 7.6 magnitude earthquake strikes Japan. It says a powerful 7.6 earthquake. A powerful magnitude of a 7.6 earthquake shook northern Japan on December 8th, prompting warnings of a tsunami high as 10 feet and triggering evacuation orders. The earthquake occurred at 11:15 local time, was centered off the coast of Aomori Prefecture, located on the northern tip of the main island of Honshu. Multiple prefectures across northern Japan were under tsunami warnings, including Hidakito, Amaria, and the Atwata. A tsunami advisory was issued in the Malagai and the Fukuoka prefectures, according to the NHK and public broadcasters in Japan. And this is the book of Luke. Matter of fact, Matthews, once again. This is Matthews 24 and verse 7. For nation shall rise against nation and kingdom against kingdom. There shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. Right, so we're going to be seeing the increasing of earthquakes in diverse places. And another precept to that Matthews 24 verse 7. This is Luke 21 verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall be from heaven. Right, so we're going to be seeing great signs shall be from heaven from Yahweh that he spoke about. So we're going to see the Heavenly Father visit this earth with these earthquakes in diverse places that Yahweh spoke about. And this is Second Ezra. This is the book of Second Ezra, chapter 9, verse 2. Then thou shalt understand it is at very same time where in the highest was the Heavenly Father Yahweh will begin to visit the world which you made. So we're going to see the Heavenly Father visit this earth now, so what you made. This is Heavenly Father speaking through Ezra. Second Ezra 9, verse 3. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes in the upward speaking world. So we're going to be seeing increasing earthquakes in the upward speaking world. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of the earthquakes in diverse places as of December the 8th, 2025 on this Monday noon. So with that, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem, Karkadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'Hashem, in the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashon Kodash tongue. And I say Barak Thumb to the elders and apostles, wa Akim, wa Akwaf. To next time, I would say Shalom. Everything that I heard about what Notre Dame does, and then when everybody's saying why ESPN didn't want Notre Dame, just